Yeah, I mean, look, we managed, we got a hold of sort of various sort of media companies, and I think with the chalk factory, there was just clarity in terms of the processes and the steps, which helped us a lot. I mean, we're in the game of manufacturing, so predictability is everything in our business, and in terms of what we do. So I think just engaging with the chalk factory and having them sort of have a clear outline in terms of the processes involved, what we need to do, and what we are trying to achieve as well as a company, together with sort of our ethos and obviously what we want to get and communicate to the end user. It was very, very important that we know exactly what we aim for in terms of achieving that, and the chalk factory was immensely clear with the steps we need to take to get to our end goal.